Hello everybody, welcome to our webinar by UHY Torgersons Chartered Accountants on cloud accounting. My name is Martin Johnson, I'm one of the partners at UHY Torgersons. We are an accountancy practice providing tax business advisory services for the whole of the northeast of England. We have regional coverage but also national support. We have 3 offices throughout the northeast: Sunderland, Newcastle and Jarrow. We are part of the UHY Hacker Young group, which gives us access to a network of offices across the whole of the UK and indeed worldwide as well through that. We have a team of experienced partners dedicated to helping our clients to prosper. Our services are accountancy, payroll, tax advice, VAT advice, audit services, as we are registered auditors, company secretarial services, corporate finance, and private client services. And our most recent service line is cloud accounting for information on the move. Talking about cloud accounting, therefore, why is it important? It's online access to bookkeeping and accounting, which is rapidly becoming an essential requirement for many small and medium-sized businesses. What is driving that requirement? It's a need to be ready for making tax digital. HMRC's new process, which it is introducing in April 2019, initially for VAT registered traders with turnover above the VAT threshold, and it's ultimately going to end in quarterly tax accounts for all business taxpayers and individuals who currently complete a self-assessment tax return. It will in time provide improved efficiencies and in the medium term cost savings as well. Cloud accounting is integral to both of those areas. Cloud accounting will provide real-time accounting information whenever it's needed. That will enable decisions to be made more quickly and more effectively. Our view and our motto probably is we want our clients to have access to accounting data that is more relevant and reliable on a more timely basis, supporting the prosperity of their business. There are many benefits of cloud accounting, but the key ones can be described as follows. Data on the move. In this regard, we mention it this way because data can be entered and accessed from any location at any time. The user is therefore not required to go to their office to enter a transaction or to retrieve reports or data from within the software. Real-time information. Timeliness is becoming more and more important, and the cloud system will allow data entered into the software, updates immediately, can be accessed immediately, and can be accessed by a number of users across any number of different locations. It should help cash flow as well, in one sense, because the software is paid for on a monthly basis, so there's no large upfront outlay. That can ease companies' cash flow. But in addition, that real-time information I mentioned before means that customer outstanding bills can be chased more frequently and on a more up-to-date basis. That should help inflow of cash. There will be savings for sure in software maintenance and upgrade costs. The cost for software upgrades and maintenance will be taken care of by the software providers rather than the user themselves. So it's performed in the background and will be ensuring that the software is bang up to date. You can access the software using multiple devices. In this regard, it's accessible through laptops, but also tablets and smartphones. So it can be obtained conveniently at any point in time and anywhere, and the coffee shop on your smartphone, for instance. Another useful benefit is the data backup. The data is backed up and saved in a remote location by the service provider. That puts the onus on the service provider to ensure the security of the data, and they also provide the disaster management facilities such that if there is any sort of breach or breakdown, it's put right straight away and everything is looked after by the service provider. That's a very brief run through of the key benefits of cloud accounting and what it's about. As I say, we at UHY Torgersons are introducing this new service line through a dedicated partner in Paul McMahon and dedicated cloud accounting manager in Donna Parkin, both of whom have many years of experience in accountancy with ourselves and are available to be reached on the contact details on screen now, by email or by telephone to our Sunderland office 0191 567 8611. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation on cloud accounting. Hope you found it useful, and please don't hesitate to get in touch with us if you have any queries or want any further information. We'd be delighted to speak to you. Thank you.